Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cherries, and I have a list of tips and ideas that are known to work well with cherries. So hopefully this list will help you out. Now it was kind of long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. I have a link to the part 1 video below in the description box. Stewed or roasted cherries can be used as a topping for savory dishes, such as on top of tofu, pork, or poultry. Why not add cherries to your morning oatmeal? Here's an idea for a really easy mock pie, the easiest one you've ever made. Place 1 slice of bread on a greased sandwich iron, and then spread that top of that bread with some cherry pie filling. Sprinkle it with some sliced almonds and your favorite chocolate chips, and then top that with another slice of bread. Close the iron and cook until it's heated through and slightly toasted on the outside. It might take about 3 to 6 minutes to toast it up, and then enjoy. It'll be a delicious cherry pie. Try a smoothie made with cherries. Take 1½ cups of pitted fresh cherries, 1/2 cup of diced raw red beets, the juice from 1 or 2 limes, and 1 cup of milk or nut milk of your choice. Add a few ice cubes if you want and blend it until it's smooth, and then enjoy. An important tip for you here is do not wash your cherries before you store them. There's going to be added moisture on them even if you try to pat them dry. There will be added moisture and it will cause them to spoil, namely develop mold. It's really best to store them dry and unwashed in a container, plastic bag, or even a paper bag. And it's helpful to place them between layers of paper towels within their container to absorb any moisture that might be released by the fruit during storage, because if there is moisture that accumulates in that container, it can invite mold, and then you'll be throwing them away. They're too expensive to do that. A pound of fresh, unpitted cherries is about 80 cherries, or about 2 1/3 cups pitted, or about 1½ cups of cherry juice. If you're counting servings, 1 cup of fresh sweet cherries is equal to 1 serving. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.